Welcome back to Dollar Tree and the happiest video of the season. You want to run right now because they have stackable decor. They have snowmen, they have Christmas trees and presents, and don't worry because I'm going to show you exactly what to do with these.
We're going to make huge, elegant decor in under 5 minutes. Recently, we visited the Biltmore Estate in Asheville, North Carolina. Not only were the views spectacular, the opulent late 19th century decor was spectacular too. I thought to myself, so many of these things you could actually make from the Dollar Tree. I got really inspired, and you know from recent videos, I've been decorating for the holidays with that Charles Dickens aesthetic, especially my tables, my mantle. And when I was in the gift shops, look at this beautiful Christmas tree. I found these bells for $16. And you know what it made me think? At the Dollar Tree, they have almost the same thing for $1.25. They're fluted and so elegant. So I wanted to share with you easy ideas for opulent mansion style decor on a tiny budget. And what's more, it's really fast. Using things that you already have. Here I put this bell underneath a cloche. All of these ideas are easy and affordable. They look luxury and you'll actually want to do them. So when you first walk into the mansion, there's a beautiful foyer. And Owen was so taken with these lanterns, he said we definitely needed those at home.
Grab these LED light sets. Now, you can grab some Dollar Tree garland as well as some battery pack lights if you can't find these in your plus section. But I'm going to take one of those solar lights that I grabbed this summer and check out what I'm going to put together.
Our lanterns won't quite be so big, but they'll achieve that same carriage house elegant whimsy. I put some floral foam in the bottom of these containers. I added the twinkling garland on top, and this solar lantern actually comes with the solar stake. I added some additional greenery, and I would love to know which styling you like best, A or B. And speaking of miniature opulence, Dollar Tree brought back their Cobblestone Corner Winter Village. This sells out every year. And oh man, do I have some ideas in store.
The Cobblestone Corners Village is back. Now this is one of my favorites. In previous years, you had to put a tea light inside of these, but this time, these take AAA batteries and these light up so beautifully. They have the little Christmas trees and they come in 3 packs for $1.25. I also love the mini figurines this year. They have little fences.
I wanted to make my own Biltmore Estate Village. Now these are so beautiful as is. The light on the inside is so elegant. I definitely recommend buying the fence. It just gives it such whimsy. You could set this on a shelf in your built-ins or just give a little Christmas flair anywhere in your house. Now, when we were in the Biltmore, we also saw gingerbread. Y'all, tons of gingerbread. Like somebody made the actual estate into gingerbread. So I got an idea. Grab some spray paint. I've seen lots of people do this on TikTok, but the secret I found is to use a textured spray paint. This is what you would use on outdoor furniture. This is going to make these homes look just like a cookie. Dollar Tree fabric paint? Fabulous, 10 out of 10, and I promise this was easy. Once this dries, you just use fabric paint right on top and it looks like frosting. I put on a podcast and did this. I had so much fun, and I think this might be the wow of this video. How would you display these? I think they look great in a kitchen. You could also put this with candy canes or sweet treats. I think this gives whole new meaning to the $1.25 mansion, don't you think? And speaking of houses, we're headed outside, friend, for some front porch decor. I don't care if you're in an apartment or you rent or you've got a big, beautiful porch. These are going to be so stately with, yes, some spray paint. These Christmas trees were begging for a metallic look, and this particular spray paint looks really realistic. So these immediately looked so high end. And my thought was to put these inside of urns. I added some greenery that I already had, and once I got them inside, I realized it definitely needed a big red bow with some zip ties. I noticed the Biltmore Estate had tons of red velvet bows and lots of big, luxurious looking presents. So I wanted to make some gifts fit for a mansion. I grabbed some spray paint and decided to go with some matte coloring. But then the real trick is to add glitter blast. Now this is kind of a newer product and you just give it a couple quick hits and it will just coat anything in glitter. Home decor you already have, you can level up. And then of course you can grab Dollar Tree ribbon or just ribbon you have on hand. I really liked this velvet kind. And then I hot glued this down the side of the gift to give it dimension. And I think whether you're decorating a small front porch or a big luxurious room, this would be the perfect addition. Or maybe, just maybe, you're partial to snowmen. We've got to see. Let's find out.
I love this little section. They have these scarves back, which are some of my favorite, and of course, a tutu. I would wear this, but I'm not wearing it today. My little snow girl is gonna wear it. Check it out.
I tied this scarf right on Mr. Snowman, and then I took that puffy paint and I added some eyelashes to my snow girl. This is just the right texture because it stands out. You could decorate these however you wanted to. What's going on your front porch? Snowmen? Presents? or Christmas trees. And speaking of trees, when you see the sugar pine tea lights, these are awesome. They only come out during the holiday. The crimson cranberry and the winter magic are also fantastic. These are so great on any tablescape, and of course you can do it all from Dollar Tree. And their twisted candles are back. These mimic Pottery Barn and are so luxury. The fragrance warmers are in the plus section this year, and I couldn't pass up my own mini mansion. This is so beautiful. It actually really reminds me of Crate and Barrel and Pottery Barn. And what's great is the well at the top of these really only needs one wax melt. I hope this video is inspiring you with how easy these ideas are. Truly, less than 5 minutes. And one thing I was taken with at the estate was the beautiful Christmas trees and how all of the ornaments coordinated. And this year, I thought this was worth mentioning. Dollar Tree has similar ornaments to Walmart in those big packages, and they're only $5. They have lots of different themed ornaments, no matter where you're trying to decorate around your home.
And oh, look at there's like a little penguin and some candy in it. Love the gingerbread.
And be sure to check your local stores for silicone ice molds. They are everywhere, and these are $12 on Amazon. And I wanted to share with you this simple trick since so many of us are using oranges to decorate. I dried some out to hang on the Christmas tree, and you can slice these to add to your drinks. Slice some of your little rounds in half too, because this is really fun to create a flower inside of your ice molds. Place 2 larger rounds on the outer edges, and then grab some smaller pieces to add inside and kind of twist around like this, and it will look like a rose. Now, maybe this feels a little bit extra, but I promise your guests will be wowed. I actually did this last year, and every person who came over was like, oh my gosh, how did you do this? And I was like, it only took a second. You literally just fill this up with water. And if you don't want the water to be cloudy, you can use distilled water. I also added some cranberries to the bottom of Dollar Tree ice molds. I added some rosemary on top. I just think having festive ice, even if it's just for yourself, for nobody else, makes such a big difference. It's really fun to do, especially as a family. And what I like is this is something the kids can actually help with. And of course, I organize my ice in Dollar Tree containers. Now, I've seen those TikTok accounts where people are like making a bunch of ice and their entire fridge is like fancy ice. I don't think I go quite that far, but just a couple of times a year to do this for yourself, I think you're really gonna like it. Serve with your favorite mixed drinks and mocktails. One of my favorite affordable places to get all of my produce is Aldi. It's actually accessible right now. And of course, what does every mansion have? Gardens, beautiful gardens. I was honestly so inspired when I was standing out here. I was reminded of resilience. This area was devastated just a few weeks ago by Hurricane Helene, and to see Asheville and the surrounding areas begin to rebuild, what a gift that was.
Life is way too short to not infuse a little joy, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. What is that called? The jangler? The jingler. The jangler. The bell will have a jangler. I love these.
Meowie Christmas. I'd love to keep hanging out. I hand selected a video just for you. Give it a click and let's do it.